Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Brandy Giz. I'm back with another video. Happy New Year's to you all. This will be my first video of the year. So I'm going to start out with a demo featuring this here foundation from Nars. It's the Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in a 1 fluid ounce bottle. And the shade that I picked up is medium dark 2.3 Moorea. That's it right there. Open it up. And this is the bottle. So I'm going to apply it just to show you how the foundation looks on me, the shade. So maybe I will go in, I'll go in with this little Eco Tools. I'm going to shake it up and show you how it looks on me. I'm not even sure if this is my shade. It kind of looks like it is. Okay. In Nars Sheer Glow, I am in the shade Cadiz. I didn't want to go with Nars Cadiz for the simple fact it just looked like it was neutral, and I needed some yellow, some life. And if you have the, I don't know if they sell the sheer matte, but I was in the shade Tahoe. Let me open it up and show you. And this is Tahoe, so you can see, and I hold all three of them up so that you can see, if that makes a difference. Alrighty, so let me begin. Of course it should come with a pump. I'm going to pump out maybe like two squirts. 1, 2. And see how that works. I'm going to warm it up with my hand and apply it to my face. Okay, so that was 2 pumps. I'm going to pump 2 on this side and warm it up and place it on my face. So now I'm going to go in with Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to put a little bit underneath my eyes. And this is what I normally do when I do my makeup. I don't use too much because I'm going to go over it with the, maybe I use this one, my little Real Techniques blender tore, but I'm going to use it anyway. And I just go underneath like that. And I just go underneath like so. And that's good enough. Now this is like my favorite concealer. This is the Fenty Matchsticks. And this is in the shade Caramel. So I'm going to apply that underneath. And I did my eyes already, something really simple and basic. If you want to see a video on that, just let me know. I'm sure you've seen it before. But I wanted something basic because I wanted to do a look with some lipsticks that I purchased. And I never got around to swatching them for you. So this is the Too Faced Ethereal, yeah, setting powder. I'm just gonna place just that much. I don't need to do too much baking. I'm just gonna apply it underneath.
D Brooks exclusive.
To the way. Alright, so I'm back. Okay, loves, this is how the foundation turned out. I gotta say, I really like the way the finish is. It looks really nice. It looks natural, but it also has a radiant look, that like a glow from within. I haven't fell in love with the foundation since the Rihanna foundation, the Fenty. But I really love this foundation. But this one, if I want a more natural, radiant, well, Fenty has a natural look, but it's more so on the matte side for us oily girls. But this one, I think this is a keeper. This one right here is definitely a keeper. I love the way it just made my whole look come together. Gotta say, I truly like it. This is my first time wearing the foundation, so I can't give you a review on it, but I will come back if you want me to, if you thumbs up this video, and I'll do a review for you guys. It's cute. Like it. So yeah guys, that is how the foundation is wearing on me. So far so good. You see, looks cool. I'm gonna put some pictures at the end so that you can see how it looks with flash and whatnot, and you can tell me what you think. Make sure I sweep away that what was that Too Faced powder that was underneath my eyes. But I like this because it doesn't feel heavy like the Huda Beauty foundation. The Huda Beauty foundation just was weighing on my skin, and I didn't like that, so I had to take that back. But this right here is a keeper. I'm sure it's a keeper. I 100% truly believe this is a keeper. So I'm gonna put some pictures at the end so that you can see how it looks on me. And yeah, that's about it. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, guys, thank you all for watching. I'll see you.